You see, son of B.
Sleepless in a war against the unknown, which keeps my brain awakened every time I try to take a little nap, even when alone to sleep the night. I'm exhausted waiting for sleepness when I fully need it most, to appease my old heart and take a repose from my reveries. They usually say that sleeping takes one's will to relinquish the day's story or anything that keeps one up. But in the middle of the very try, I'm haunted by enormous thoughts, while I'm still thinking that I'm not thinking, telling myself that I should stop thinking, so that I would get some Z's. When I'm fed up with my introversy, my head bumps up to nature like, why is it vital to sleep? Or why is it impossible not to think? That's also thinking, right? Then I change the subject and I imagine when I'm dead and play back my burial and such a scene. Oh, that's thinking as well. Oh my God, why do I keep thinking? Isn't this thinking too? Damn. Maybe I should wake up, watch a movie, or browse the net. Sleep will catch me up. Alright, here I am then. My fiancé is sleeping tight by now. I'm a lucky man that she loves me. Can't wait when we'll finally married, that we shall play games and make love. Damn, this is also thinking. When I'm done thinking about thinking, oops, it's morning already. I start wondering how I didn't sleep, and I can't tell which kept me that awoke. Thence, the world jumps in, and I'm sleepy throughout the day, headache and fatigue blowing my guts, until I eagerly get home that I can sleep. Yet, another thinking session begins. Am I insane already?